High in the snow-capped peaks of Central and South Asia, a creature of myth and shadow reigns. This is the realm of the snow leopard, a master of camouflage and survival, often called the ghost of the mountains. Its existence is a testament to nature's power to adapt and thrive in the most unforgiving environments. With its thick, smoky gray fur, patterned with dark rosettes, the snow leopard blends seamlessly into the rocky, snow-dusted slopes. This magnificent coat isn't just for show. It's a dense, multi-layered insulator against the biting cold. Its paws are enormous, acting like natural snowshoes to distribute weight and provide grip on treacherous terrain. And its tail, nearly as long as its body, is a marvel of evolution, used for balance on narrow ledges and wrapped around its face like a warm scarf while resting. These powerful hind legs can launch the cat up to 30 feet in a single bound, a necessary skill for navigating this vertical world. Genetically, the snow leopard Panthera is a unique member of the big cat family, most closely related to the tiger. While traditionally considered a single species, recent research suggests potential subspecies variations across its vast range, from the Himalayas to the Altai Mountains. Each population has subtle adaptations tailored to its specific mountain home, but all share the core traits that make them supreme alpine predators. Their large nasal cavities warm the frigid air before it reaches their lungs, and their short, powerful limbs are perfect for explosive bursts of speed needed to ambush prey like the blue sheep or burrell. Life here is solitary. A single snow leopard may command a territory spanning hundreds of square kilometers. Communication is subtle, carried on the wind. They leave scent marks on rocks and scrape the ground, creating a territorial map legible only to other leopards. Their calls are not the mighty roars of lions or tigers, but a distinctive, high-pitched yowl, known as a chuff, a sound that carries far in the thin mountain air, signaling presence without aggression. As winter's grip loosens and spring approaches, a primal urge awakens. This is the mating season, a brief window when these solitary ghosts seek one another out. A male will follow a female's scent markers for days, calling out to announce his intentions. When they finally meet, the courtship is a delicate dance of caution and connection. There are no fierce battles, but rather a series of gentle interactions, head-rubbing, and shared silences. They will travel and hunt together for a few days, a temporary alliance forged by the need to continue their lineage. Once their bond is fulfilled, they part ways, returning once more to their solitary existence. The responsibility of the next generation now falls to the female alone. She seeks out a secluded den, a hidden crevice in the rocks, or a cave lined with her own fur. A sanctuary to protect her young from the harsh elements and potential predators like eagles or wolves. Here, after a gestation period of about 90 to 100 days, she will give birth. The cubs, usually 2 or 3, are born blind and helpless, weighing no more than a pound. Their fur is thick and woolly, darker than an adult's, providing extra camouflage in the shadows of the den. For the first few weeks, their world is this dark, warm space, their existence defined by their mother's presence and the nourishment of her milk. She is their sole protector, rarely leaving their side, her own needs secondary to theirs. At around 3 months old, the cubs are ready to explore the world beyond the den. Their first steps into the vast mountain landscape are tentative. Under their mother's watchful eye, they learn the essential skills of survival. Play is their classroom. They pounce on each other, stalk their mother's twitching tail, and practice ambush techniques that will one day mean the difference between life and death. She teaches them to read the terrain, to move silently, and to understand the habits of their prey. These lessons are critical, as they have about 2 years to master the art of the hunt before they must venture out on their own. She will bring them on her hunting expeditions, letting them watch from a safe distance at first. They observe her patience, her explosive power, and her precision. As they grow stronger, they will begin to participate, learning how to deliver a killing bite and how to secure a hard-won meal. It's a challenging apprenticeship in one of the world's toughest environments. Not all cubs will survive to adulthood, but those who do will carry the legacy of the ghost of the mountains into the future. As the cubs approach their second year, they are nearly full. The family bond begins to weaken as the instinct for independence grows stronger. One by one, they will disperse, setting off to find their own territories and begin their own solitary lives, equipped with the knowledge passed down from their mother. She, in turn, will be ready to begin the cycle anew, ensuring the continued presence of these magnificent cats in their high-altitude kingdom. But the kingdom of the snow leopard is under threat. The very snows that give them their name are receding due to a changing climate. shrinking their habitat and pushing them into closer conflict with human settlements. Poaching for their beautiful fur and bones remains a persistent danger, fueled by illegal wildlife trade. The prey they depend on are also dwindling, victims of habitat loss and competition with livestock. The future of this iconic species hangs in the balance. It depends on us. Conservation organizations and local communities are working together to create a sustainable future for both people and leopards. By establishing protected areas, implementing anti-poaching patrols, and developing community-based conservation programs, we can help mitigate these threats. Protecting the snow leopard means protecting an entire ecosystem, the fragile, beautiful, and vital world of the high mountains. The ghost of the mountains is a symbol of wildness and resilience. To lose it would be to lose a piece of our planet's soul. By supporting conservation efforts and spreading awareness, we can ensure that these majestic cats continue to roam the peaks for generations to come. Their silent footsteps echoing through the high passes, a timeless reminder of nature's enduring wonder. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the world of the snow leopard. If you were captivated by these incredible animals, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next wildlife adventure.